Experience is hard. It needs a lot of sacrifices. But experience is a good teacher. That's why we stick to this belief. We're believing God Mother, we're believing God Father, and we are believing God the Son, Jesus Christ. All in all, we are the Godhead. Godhead na nagkaroon ng persona sa sanglibutan ito. And nandito kami sa congregation ng Universal Sovereign Church of Blessed Name 0123-6-4 Jesus. It doesn't mean na kami lang po ang masig. Pero yung mga tao na hindi pa nila nalalaman na about Blessed Mother at gumawa rin ng kabutihan kahit sa iba-iba silang komunikasyon, ang sabi naman ni Blessed Mother is, if you are a Roman Catholic, be a good Roman Catholic. If you are a Protestant, be a good Protestant. If you are a Muslim, be a good Muslim. Yun po mga kapatid, at naway pagpalain tayo ng may